Professor, School of Management, Babu Brasidas University. Today we are discussing about the strategic decision making. Strategic decision. Strategic decision process or strategic decision making or process, you can say making, whatever. A lot of word is to be there, whatever is to be carried out in strategic decision. The main thing is to be there, what is decision? Anyone have think of what is decision? Decision is to reach some conclusion. Means decision will be carried out only in that condition when there are several alternatives is to be there. Alternatives. Like an example, एक simple. एक पेरेंट्स है अपने बेटे या बेटी के लिए शादी करना चाहते हैं उसकी, तो डिसीजन का प्रोसेस कब आएगा? जब उनके पास कई सारे अल्टरनेटिव्स होंगे. अगर सिर्फ एक ही आया तो दैट इज अ डिसीजन. Yes, that's also the decision, but the decision is full and final decision because ultimate होना वही होता है. In the same process to be there, because in different type of alternative we have to choose this okay, this okay, this okay, okay. We have to give a certain percentage. Then accordingly we have to take care, and lastly we have to take up only one things to become like same. So in the decision making process, so whatever the strategy we have to adopt it, this business proposal is to be there, isn't it? So the process of choosing best from among various alternatives using information is generally the decision making choices or decision making process to be there. That means chosen alternatives that affect key factors which determine the success of an organization strategy is the right values to be there. So generally, whatever the things, first, if we have to take a simple chart was there, a simple values, what is the decision making or the strategic decision making. So, the first is, what is the first? Anyone ideas to be there? Identify the problem. Identify the problem. This is the first step. What about the second? Second is establish decision criteria. Establish decision criteria. What about the third? Weigh chosen criteria. हमको वेट दीजिए जो भी आप डिसीजन प्रोसेस लिए हैं. Weigh chosen criteria, which I told you, why you have to give weightage, you have to give the weightage. Then fourth is generates alternatives, if any alternatives to be there. Generate alternatives. Then what about the fifth? Generate alternatives. Then evaluate the alternatives. Evaluate the alternatives. What is to be there? Chosen the best alternatives, because chosen the best alternatives. When we choose the best alternatives, we have to implement our decisions. Implement the decision. Implement the decision. Implement the decision. And then, implementation is okay? No. Without evaluation, without things, evaluate the decision. Evaluate the decision. That is 8. And if any amendment is to be carried out, we can rethink of that problems. So, this is basically the Simple process of decision making. Decision making. Whatever, any problem, any things, any process, any test is to be there. We have to use it, this thing is to be there. That means, first identify, then decision criteria should be established, what is the parameter should be carried out, then weighing or weightage should be given, and certain criteria, this is the weightage of it. Like an example, it's simple. If we want to purchase a bike, we want to purchase a bike. Now, I have certain criteria in certain, like, the first problem is to be there, which bike we have to purchase. This is the main problem. And ultimate vision is to be there, bike purchasing. Problem is to be there because we want the bike should be petrol saving, right? It should be cheap, but it should be good looking also, and then low maintenance also. These are generally the simple criteria we have to turn. Okay, then we go to the market, take the brochures and other companies, and sit with the some decision maker, top management, because who will pay the amount? This is the final decision is to be there, final authority is to be there, maybe convince myself is to be, so definitely I am the authority person is to be there. So whatever, then we have to return. Then we think, we have seen that there are 4 or 5 companies was there. One company is a good economical package, but their look is not very nice to be. Other companies charging a little bit high, their looks are high, but their service centers is less. So this type of criteria may be carried out. So we have to just down, because we have to send down 4 or 5 criteria. If we have to take this type of bike is to be there. Now we have to choose 1 or 2 major things to be. This is the weightage. Or then according to weightage, we have to generate different alternatives. Now alternatives is to be increased, and then accordingly increased. Then we have to do alternatives check down. And then according to it, we have the best alternatives can be come down. This is the best bike which we can purchase in the future. And then accordingly, we will purchase the bike, ride it, and then see the performance to be there. If later on, because each and everything will be written there, we have the right to claim the alternatives. But if at any situation, this thing not be carried out before the company claiming the things, then again, after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, whatever, so we have to rethink of purchase the new things. So this is the main decision process to be carried out. Now in the decision, there's little bit difference into their decision making, and we have to add on, because our topic is strategic decision making. Strategic decision making. So this is the process is decision making. This is, now we have to add on our strategic values into there. So in the strategic decision, process will be the same. Process may be same, little bit difference to be there, but one thing is to be very clear, and we have already told you that strategy is to be formed by the top management. Decision can be taken by individual entity, but on the basis of strategy, on the basis of strategic decision, each and everything is strategic decision. Each and everything is to be the top management. So strategic decision can be framed organizational decision, organizational decisions, organizational level, organizational levels, and so in the organizational level there is a lower level, that is higher level. So we will discuss which type of problem is to be there. Any problem is to be there. So we have discussed about the nature of problems. If a nature of problem may be structured, pre-planned हो गई और unstructured आ गए, like in lockdown, अचानक लेबर भाग गए, सोचा था किसी ने? नहीं. Structured क्या है? जैसे बरसात होगी या मार्च अप्रैल, वी हैव टू जस्ट थिंक ऑफ, उस समय लेबर की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, क्योंकि ज्यादातर लेबर जो होते हैं वो खेतिहर मजदूर होते हैं, वो अपने खेतों की तरफ चले जाते हैं। तो हम एज ए मैनेजर, एज ए मैनेजमेंट साइड, एज ए टॉप मैनेजमेंट साइड, हम उसके बारे में पहले से प्लान करके चलते हैं। बट ऑल ऑफ ए सडन अचानक कोई अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड चीज आ जाती है, तो डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू लुक आफ्टर। सो इन दैट व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नेचर ऑफ, नाउ वी हैव टेक द नेचर ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग। व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नेचर ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग? Because nature of decision making is only of two types. You have to like structured and non-structured. ऐसे कर दीजिएगा। Okay, this is so nature of problem may be structured, may be non-structured, right? And nature of decision making, again the process to be there, because top management, lower level, whatever, they should take the decision. So lower level can take only जो उन्हें बताया गया, they will take only that type of decisions to be there, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं प्रोग्राम डिसीजंस, pre-planned, nothing. Whatever the top management told, manager will follow accordingly, subordinate, superior, supervisor will be accordingly, then and the top level has certain decisions to be there. So non-programmed decisions they can take, non-programmed decisions they can be take care. So in the strategic decision making process, organization problems is to be the prime consideration. If the problem exists, so definitely we have to look after which type of problem is to be there, whether this is a structured or this is a non-structured is to be there. If the non-structured was there, so definitely the authority should be going process to the higher authority side is to be there, and if accordingly we have to change out the things. Now we have to check down ki role of strategic decision making in strategic planning process, because whatever the planning we have to carry out in our day-to-day business, so strategic decision making, in strategic planning process, strategic planning process. In the strategic planning process, first there is a basically 2 or 3 phases is to be there. Phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. In the phase 1, we have to check down strategic analysis. What we'll do in a strategic analysis? External assessment. Then we can take in which a lot of opportunities, a lot of things. Our SWOT analysis can be carried out in this. Then critical success factor we have to analyze. Like critical factors, student learning outcomes, if whatever market has, market requirement, this type of thing. And then internal assessment, external and internal assessment, and we have to carry out. Then we have to take a strategic decision process making. Strategic decision making, we have to already take care like strategic issues, because strategy is to be formed for the long-term vision is to be there. So in the strategic issues, we have to look after the criteria, creativity, person-related factors, in individual or group factors, group analytics, this type of thing. And then by which we have to take care of the strategic decisions. In the strategic decision, we have to look after the vision, mission, objectives, strategic goals, and politically clear anything to be there. So this type of thing. And in the third phase, because third phase is basically a development process. When we have decided that we have to stabilize any type of strategy, is the development phase to be there. So whatever the vision is to be clear, but for establishing of the vision, we have to create mission. So we have to look after these things to be there. This type. The mission related to our strategic mission, and then whatever the strategic code, whatever the values, whatever the traditions, each and everything is to be carried out. And accordingly, we have to judge the process to be here. Because in the internal assessment, again, because in the development process, we have to look after our inside and outside also, in all the phases to be. And in the mean values, we have to check. Then, that means, if you have to look after any type of strategic decision model, if you have to write it. So, we can put down any type of strategic model accordingly, simple way, because we have already discussed about the decision process, decision making tree, and then strategic decision process. Strategic decision method, strategic decision making model. It's a very simple model. Now, strategic decisions we have to add on, the simple decision we have to add on, then we form the strategic decision making process. Again, by evaluate. So, what is the first step? That is, evaluate current performance results. Current performance results. Then, examine. मुझे बुखार है, एग्जामिन करिए अपने को, चेक कराइए. और देन रिव्यू कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस वैल्यूज. अब when we track about the review corporate governance, because this to be carried out by the top management, there's a two things can be come down. Two things. What are the two things? Scan internal environment and external environment. Internal and external environment. Then internal, whenever we have to carry out the internal environment, we have to analyze the factors, analyze, and by means of analysis, we have to take care, sort, and or by the internal environment, when we have to analyze the same process, internal again a process, sort, and then according to sort, we have to review, because this review is on the basis of mission and vision. Otherwise, if at any step we will forget the values, tradition, knowledge, definitely we will lose our business. So, then if our review is okay, if our research process is going on okay, and each and every development expertise is to be okay, we have to go for the generate and evaluate. Our strategic alliance. And when the strategic alliance was stabilized, we have to establish best alternatives in strategic alliance. And this is the usual process. When we got best alternatives, we are ready to plan, implement strategies. Normally in companies, what is the implementing strategies? That is, any idea? Like program, budget. These are the strategic alliances. Strategy, procedures this time. And then control, measurement was take care. Like evaluation and control, you can say down. Evaluation and control. So, whenever any chart related with the strategic decision making model, you have seen that the same process to be carried out. The same values is to be there. But whenever any things is to be final creation, the ball goes in both the side, that is internal environment assessment and external environment assessment. In the environmental assessment, you have to figure out, we have to analyze what we have, and in external environment, what others have. We have taken both the values on the basis of SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, क्योंकि हमें market में compete करना है. और you know better as to be there, if you want to compete in the market, we should be stabilized. भाई हमारे सामने कोई कॉम्पिटिटर इतना मोटा है और उसके कुश्ती लड़ने जा रहे हैं, तो पहले अपने को भी हम कुश्ती के लिए तैयार कर लेना. So we have to look after internal, external, both the environmental factors to be there. And then we have to check down. And each every step, each every values, we have to review. And review on the basis of what? What our vision is carrying. Because prime priority should be given, prime instruction should be given on the vision process. And vision is basically a group of missions. As mission is to be accomplished, we have to reach day by day towards the side of the vision. And because whatever our strategic values, strategic alliances, strategic parameters, each and everything is to be there. And strategic alliances, we have to carry it out like how we have to go and growth of our business. Maybe in a globalization process we can be carried out. Maybe our mega merger is to be there. Maybe we will save the unit and read some other business, either diversion of the business, recreation of the business, reassessment of the business, whatever the process, a lot of things has to be there. So each and everything should be analyzed, strictly evaluated, strictly analyzed, analytical approach was there. But whenever we have taken the decision, we have to look after on what level we are doing this type of activity. Because if we are we are not stabilize our businesses, we can say down. So which type of approach we are using? Like in strategic decision making, there are certain approaches is to be there. It is very simple. I just give down in a brief because you should know. If you are a new entrant in the business, that is like entrepreneurship approach. Yeah, opportunistic approach. You have to see in the lockdown, a lot of new business idea came out. ये सब चल के भाई साहब सैनिटाइजर बेचेंगे और मास्क बेचेंगे, ठीक? और they do the things at the right time, at the right places to be there, and they got whatever the profit is to be there. Maybe possible later on in business, this thing can be cut down. Because this is the entrepreneurial approach, and whatever the problems, whatever the tuitions to be come down, a new business enterprise can be emerged out. So we have to look after strategic decision making, we have to look after the entrepreneurship approaches to be there. And there is also a lot of approaches like formal structural approach. Whatever the business we are doing the same process to be there. Nothing change. बड़ा सांभर बेचते हैं तो बड़ा सांभर ही बेचेंगे, चाहे कैसा भी एनवायरमेंट आ जाए. नहीं. We have to only add on to things to be there. We are in the food industry, we will add on the food industry to be there. Internal factors. We never think of कि other competitor can be come down, they come down, बड़ा हम बहुत सारी चीजें बेचेंगे, लट. We have to do after the things. We formal approach अपना यही है. We have to carry on strategy. Then adaptive approach. Here we have to add on certain things. External looking after certain approaches, looking after the certain external parameters was to be there. And when the external parameters we have to look after, we have to add on. According to system, we have to adopt. चारा लग रहा है, चद्दर ओढ़ लिया हमने, कंबल ओढ़ लिया. Adoption. Otherwise, you cannot survive in this competitive environment. And the main, maybe possible in the later, you need all the three things in a common form. This entrepreneurial approach, formal approach, adaptive approach, all the approach you need it. You have to stabilize the structural formation is to be there. And when the structural formation is to be carried out, you have to look after the each and every process to be there. Because in the strategic decision making, whenever we are discussing, we have to look after first self. Because we will develop the strategy. Strategy for what? For establishment, for accountability, for running our business, or for accomplishment of vision. And for establishment of the vision, we have this is known basically strategic model, strategic steps, strategic decision making processes to be there. In this strategic process, we have to look after in which approach we have to go for that. Because this is the whole traditions, whole values, whole model is to be take care by only the top authorities. Because strategy cannot be developed by the lower subordinate levels to be there. They only the implement. whatever the work, whatever the parameters, whatever the experiments to be there, they have to analyze. And accordingly, they have to take care to be there. So in today's business, we have discussed about strategic decision making process, and in this strategic decision process, we have been carried out decision making, generals, what is the decision making? We have been already studied about the strategic management, and in this approach, we have been carried out different cycles, how we have to take care of the strategic processes, the strategic manuals, and then we have to take care of the processes. So in these parameters, we have to look after the strategic decision is the right approach, and we have to look after internal and external, both the factors on the same platform. So in this, you have to learn how you have to take the decision on basis of management side in the terms of the strategic decision making processes. Right?